Imagine if you just got to know your partner by the way they hug you. Wouldn't it be great? So in this video, I'm going to help you understand your partners in a much better way. So coming to our first category, there are people who love to hug you really close to you and they look forward to it. So who are these people? These are people who come in the category of huggers. Now what do they do and how they behave? These are those people who love to have an emotional connection and want to be dependent on their partners emotionally, physically, or in any way. They want that dependence. It is dependence that makes them feel that their partner really loves them and cares for them. If you try to stop them, if you try to tell them that don't be dependent on me, they will feel you don't love them and they will walk out of the relationship. So that's how they perform. Now in our second category, what are these people? These are thinkers. What do you mean by this? These are people who will act according to situation. So if they feel that this situation requires a normal hug, love, care, kiss, they will. If they feel no, they will not. They will stop that. They really want to behave properly depending on the situation. And most of the times they will hate public display of affection. These category of people just hate that. So if you want this person to stay in your life for a longer period, don't ever do this mistake, because the moment you start displaying your affections too much in front of people, they feel it's a show off. Now coming to our final category, which is the third category, distant keepers. Now what does this mean? These are people who are not fond of physical connection or a lot of physical touch. They take time to trust you, to believe you. Sometimes it can be after 3 months, sometimes even after a year. They just don't like it. For them, if they like you, they will like to be with you, go around, but don't expect them to hug you, kiss you, hold your hand and walk around. Because if you force this, they will walk away. So yes, dealing with such a partner, you require a lot of patience. For them, they will only be with you if they see that you are genuine about the relationship and it's not a casual thing. So these people prefer to keep distance, analyze, and once they get comfortable, that's when they will trust you with their physical closeness. Strange, isn't it? But this really matters. Now you tell me which category you fall in the comment section. Because when you understand your partner better, the bonding is better, right? And if you guys are wondering why I shot this entire video with Mrunal, then she was the only one available when I was shooting, and we need to admit she's cute, right? Right.
Hi! So you do tell us which category you fall in the comments, and like and share it with your friends. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day! Bye!
Bye!